Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome back to the white belt syllabus. And in today's video, we're looking at the outer forearm high outward block in walking stance. Here it is. So like many of these white belt techniques, this is also in walking stance. We're not going into great depth in walking stance here or in any of the stances. We are focusing mainly on the blocks and the strikes, but there will be a separate video on that one, so go check that out. Here's a quick overview though. Okay, so for the high block, we're going to cross back to back again, a bit like we did for the low block. For the low block, we say back to back blocking hand on top because of that lower crossing position. For the high block, we're going to come up just slightly higher than eye level where the block finishes. Now, because we're crossing that much higher, I tend to say to the students we're crossing on the inside rather than crossing on top. So back to back, blocking hand on the inside. Again, we want both hands to rotate on impact. So the reaction hand rotates back to your hip. The blocking hand rotates into position. The blocking tool is the outer forearm. So that's this section here. And again, we're half facing for this one. So shoulders slightly off center. Careful not to square those shoulders up. So in these beginner videos, we're not going into great depth in terms of the theory of power, so sine wave, reaction force. But as beginners, try to focus a lot on stances. This is your foundation. So really try to work on developing strong stances and try to get the timing right. Try and get into the habit of finishing everything at the same time. So you land that block as you land your step, rather than stepping and then blocking, for example, which is quite common with beginners. It's quite hard to undo bad habits later on. So I'd say focus on those areas. Okay, awesome job, guys. Well done. And we'll see you in the next one.